Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about box trades, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
I was thinking about the box trade and just the one side of the trade, the exit. If you were to put that on when the strike is pinned and you basically have this opening going both ways, you can make a profit if it goes one way or the other from your strike. Now we have that little breathing indicator. So if that pink line is really close to our teal line, when we took that on, we would get to take that credit and let it run out away from our. If it stuck right there, we'd be in trouble.
I'm sure I follow the question or the setup of your question.
I had this idea and I took it and I made a quick $30, but yes, my risk was higher because I took the credit for $18 and got out for $13 and cents or something like that. So I took the credit and then paid the debit.
Got to look at both together. You had two trades, an opposite and a...
No, he just took the
No,
opposite.
I just took the opposite, the one that we would normally take to get out when we like, oh, let's lock in our profits before they go away. I was like, why not just take the profits before they go away? And then when they go away, buy it back for less. So that's what I did.
Oh, I see. So did you have a regular trade on to begin with? Then you put on the box trade and then it went away and then
They were just futures, so I just closed them out. So I put on a trade.
Oh, I've done that before.
Then I closed it out and I'm like, let me just duplicate that thing. I'll change it to the opposite. I'll change it to a put.
I've done something similar to that, but I haven't taken off the other trade because what you're doing is you're putting yourself a little bit at risk there. A little bit, but not huge risk. You've already taken the profit on the other trades. I've done is I've put on the first trade, then I boxed it out, and then price like totally moved away. So my profit was locked in, but I totally maximized my profit on the box trade. So I took it off. And now I'm sitting there with my original trade still there so that if price returned back, I could profit again. And that's worked out for me a couple of times, but it only works out really in a volatile market. In a non-volatile market, it doesn't work so well.
Okay.
That would defeat the purpose of putting the box trade on, right?
Yeah. So for instance, I have this trade on.
Those
right?
were futures, so there's no DTE.
There's always a DTE.
On futures?
Oh, when you're just trading just the futures, not options on it?
Just the NQ. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I thought that came up as a discussion that if you were trading
No,
the
you're getting it
NQ
confused. There's no pattern day trader strike on futures. See, that's what we're trying to avoid when we do the box trade. And that's why we don't have to do it on the futures because there's no pattern day trader strike.
And that's what I'm trading, right? When I'm trading the NQ?
Yeah, when you're trading futures, you don't have to worry about pattern day trader strike. There's no reason to put on a box trade.
Yeah, and that's why I'm just closing them out. I'm not worrying about it.
Yeah, you could day trade 1,000 times a day and never have to worry about a pattern day trader strike with futures.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.